Hey guys, I'm just going to do a quick video. Well, a review on Tech Deck number 2 out of 6 Black Label Retro one. Okay, so as you can see here, it's pretty big compared to this. Has well bigger wheels. Put it here. Yeah, and it's also an unboxing. Just so, yeah, they're the same size. Well, the case is the same size. Okay, so, Phil, as you can see, it's right big. You know. Shout out to Finley, my friend in school, for giving me this for grip tape. Pretty cool. Okay, so let's get this baby unboxed. Look, I need to do it off of my phone if I didn't tell you, because my camera isn't working right now. Okay. What's this? Okay, that failed. Oh, who cares about them? Whoa, this is good. Okay, it's pretty big. And the bolts, I noticed, are weird. They're just at the edge. The trucks are really wide. Makes you the chips better. I'm not really good. So wide. Look. Apparent. Look. This. So. How much wider? How much? They're the same about. The wheels are a lot bigger. They're just about bigger than a normal one. So yeah, not real good because it's so wide. Yeah, that's good. Well, get these. Well, I went to Asda to get this. If you live outside, I live in the UK, so I think you might get these at Walmart because Asda's related to Walmart. Yeah, it's really cool. Comes with, damn it, 4 changeable wheels and the normal usual stickers. Yeah, you can change the wheels and the thing, the screw. So yeah, I might do a video about this. It's really sick. So awesome. Oh yeah, just to show you very quickly, I have, just to show you, I have loads of standard series. I have retro and I have a white dipped at Organica. I was going to get in a white dip blind, but I couldn't. So yeah, the concave, Matt Miller. I might do a review on that. And my customized Extreme one, Extreme DC. There's dice, if you can't see, and then 8. I customized this. Just to quickly tell you this, I sold my friend this for this, but I gave him a long shoot. So yeah, the retro is sick, real cool. I recommend you buy one. There's only 6 of them. They're super good. They're so wide. It's like if your fingers slip, your fingers will never slip off. I would imagine you're pretty good customizing. Look how shiny that is. Okay, yeah, that's it. It's real cool. Shape. People might say shaped like a fish. Tech Deck. From me and Tech Deck. The retro tactic is out.